A safety message from Rebecca Britton at Britton Law.
Drive smart. Be safe. Know when to stop for school buses. Under North Carolina law, when a school bus displays its mechanical stop signal or flashing red lights, vehicles in both directions must stop and not attempt to pass the bus until the sign is withdrawn, the lights are off, and the bus has started to move. On a 4-lane highway with a median or a turn lane, only traffic following the bus must stop. North Carolina has gotten tougher on people who illegally pass a school bus with a minimum fine of $500 and a whopping increase in their insurance bill. So watch out for those school buses and obey the signals. It will save your wallet and, even more important, can save a life. For more information, visit our website at BrittonLawFirm.com. That's BRITTON lawfirm.com.
When you need straight answers and personal attention, contact Rebecca Britton at Britton Law at 910-250-9374.